Question number 4 of exercise 10.1 NCERT. We have to identify the vectors A, B, C, D. There are 4 vectors: vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D. And we have to identify which vectors are co-initial, which are equal, which are collinear. Co-initial means whose initial points are same. So from the figure we are seeing the vectors A, initial point is A, and another vector is D, whose initial point is also A. That is, both are originating from A. So we can write vector A and D are co-initial vectors. Region we can write here region. Both A and C originate from A. Both are starting from A. Now come to second. Which vectors are equal vectors? So we are seeing vector A and vector B not equal because they are not in the same direction. A and C are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Vector A is from A to B and vector C is from C to D. Vector B and D, they are also equal, their lengths are equal, and also they are in the same direction from B to C, from A to D. So here we can write vectors B and D are equal vectors, region. Vector B is equal to what? BC, and vector D is equal to AD. Also AB also BC is equal to AD and BC parallel AB. Means they are in the same direction and their magnitudes, that is the length of sides, are also same. And last one of this question 4 is collinear but not equal. That is, the vectors which are collinear, that is parallel to the same line. So we are seeing that AB and DC, these are parallel but not equal because direction of A is from A to B and direction of C is from C to D, just opposite. So we will write vector A and vector C are collinear but not equal. And region we will write AB parallel DC, but directions of A and C are opposite. Now we will do last sum of this exercise 10.1. Question number 5. Answer the following as true or false. We will write region also. Vector A and minus A are collinear. Vectors A and minus A, they are collinear. Means only directions are opposite and both are the same. That is, it is true. We will write true. And region we will write here region. Vectors A and minus A are on the same line. Second, two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. If there are two collinear vectors, means parallel to the same line, they will always be equal. It is false. We can see here is vector A and another is vector 2A. So you see they are two different vectors. They are collinear because they are in the same line, on the same parallel to each other or on the same line, but they are not equal. they are not equal in magnitude. False. Vector A and vector 2A, vector A and vector 2A are not equal in magnitude. Third is two vectors having same magnitude are always collinear. It is also false. We can see two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. This is a vectors A, two vectors having same magnitude, and this is another vectors B. Here A is equal to B, but they are not collinear. Here A is equal to B, but vectors A and vectors B are not collinear. They are not along the same line. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are always equal. Two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are always equal. It is also false. You can see there, we can take this AB, vector A, and this one, they are opposite. So here we are seeing these two vectors are collinear, but these two vectors having the same magnitude are collinear, but they are not equal because their directions are same. Here directions are opposite.